All right, here's a quick one for those of you that were not here for the geometry review. We did a little arts and craftsy cut and paste. The very first page of your book is going to have all these rectangles on them. You need to go ahead and cut those out, and you need to go ahead and place them, if I can show you, into the definition, illustration, and naming portion of this page. Now, I'm not going to go into detail in that because that would be just an extremely long video. So if you need that information, see me. Maybe place them in there. We use the glue stick and put them in there. Maybe just just get it from me or get it from a neighbor. All right. The second thing we did is we went through and we matched the definitions with the symbols. And what I would suggest is go ahead and pause the video right now and see if you can go ahead and figure out which of these symbols match the definitions. And then come back and I will do that rather quickly. So I'm just going to start. I'm assuming you've done absolute value. Okay, absolute value is going to be 14. I'll do this in a different color here so we can see that. Absolute value is 14. Congruent. Congruent is the equals with the squiggly line above it. If something's congruent, they're equal. If they're equal, they're congruent. The difference is equals uses numbers, congruence uses symbols. Parallel. If two lines are parallel, that's number 12. A line segment with endpoints, G and H, that's going to be number 10. So 10 is D. Ray, GH. Ray, GH is number 11. So 11 is E. Equal value, that's going to be an equal sign, F. G plus or minus, that's 13. Triangle, ABC, 4 is H. Indicates the measure of an angle, J, that's number 2. K, perpendicular, that's the symbol right here, 5. I don't want to write the word perpendicular, so I'm going to use the symbol. L is angle ABC, that's number 6. Similar is 9, that's M. N, the length of GH, everybody kind of misses this one, but that's GH with nothing above it. And finally P, it refers to infinite line segment. So there's that. And then the last thing here, I'm going to do one of these, and you can do the rest. It says draw and label the figure. Well, all right, I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, and we actually wrote the word triangle. That's horrible. Here was a ray, we wrote the word ray, and we drew this. Okay? So what's probably the most difficult one? Well, they're all. Give them a shot and ask me. I'm just going to keep it simple and go triangle RST, label R, S, and T. And you can figure out the rest and ask questions. All right? So there's a brief intro into geometry.